everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can change your alarm sound in your iPhone. What you need to do is you need to go to your clock app, and under clock app interface like this will come up. You see that this will come up from beneath the section. I have selected the alarm option, and this screen will come up, this interface will come up. So I need to click on any of the alarm which I have set it just like this, and interface like this will come up. Under the sound settings, I can adjust different alarms or different ringtones for alarms. So I go to the sound, and you see that there are a lot of options that I can select from. Basically, these are the alarms which I can adjust. Furthermore, if I want to pick any alarm specifically, I can go and pick a song, and I can actually adjust it with synchronize from the updated side, and I can synchronize with different things over here, the standard and the custom vibrations, that how my phone should be vibrated while alarm is popping up. From here I can actually pick a song from my library or set any audio which I want to put it on an alarm, and these are the default options which iPhone has given. Even I can put it on your vibrate mode while setting the ringtone of alarm to none. So that's how you can actually adjust your alarm ringtone or change the volume of alarm. I hope this video helping out in setting the different alarm tunes for your iPhone. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.